Hello students, welcome to my channel. I Neela ma'am here. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 2 fractions and decimals. I have taken worksheet number 20. Question number first is, in a class there are 45 students. If 3/5 of the students are boys, find the number of boys in the class. So here total number of students in the class are how many? 45. So number of boys in the class are how many? 3/5 of 45. Of means multiply. Of means multiply. So 3/5 multiplied by 45. Simplify. 5 1 ja 5, 5 9 ja 45 and multiply 3 by 9. 3 9 ja 27 boys. So the number of boys in the class are 27. So when this type of problem is there, of. Okay, of means multiply. In that case we multiply and simplify and get the answer. Then question number 2 is, a cloth merchant sells cloth at the rate of rupees 23 whole 4 upon 5 per meter. We are given cost of 1 meter cloth here, and we are going to get what is the cost of 6 whole 3 upon 7 meter of cloth. When we are given cost of 1 meter and we are asked to find the cost of more meter of clothes, in that case we multiply. So here we will write language part. It is must the cost of 1 meter cloth, it is equal to rupees 23 whole 4 upon 5. So we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How? 5 23s are 115 plus 4, it is 119 upon 5. Okay, so cost of 1 meter cloth, it is rupees 119 upon 5. So here the cost of 6 whole 3 upon 7 meter, or we have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How? 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 3 45 upon 7 here as it is. So the cost of 45 upon 7 meter cloth, it is rupees 119 upon 5 multiplied by 45 upon 7, because we have converted 6 whole 3 upon 7 into improper fraction. Now simplify. 5 1 ja 5, 5 9 ja 45, then 7 1 ja 7, here 7 1 ja 7, 4 and 9 49, 7 7s are 49. You can simplify yourself also. Then 17 9s are here 153. So the cost of 6 whole 3 upon 7 meter of cloth, it is rupees 153. This is our language problems. Here find the area of the rectangle. Question number 3 here. Find the area of the rectangle whose sides are 13.25 meter and 5.1 meter. So this is the shape of a rectangle, and length, if first it is length is how much? 13.25 meter, and breadth, that is 5.1 meter. So length of the rectangle, it is equal to 13.25 meter. Breadth of the rectangle, it is 5.1 meter. You are asked to find the area of the rectangle, and in your previous classes you have learned formula based on area, perimeter of rectangle, square. But here, when in case of area of the triangle, in the case of area of rectangle, you will write the area of the rectangle, that is length multiplied by breadth. So it is equal to 13.25 multiplied by 5.1. When area is to be found, we write area in square meters. Here in square meters, it will be written in square meter. So when you will ignore this decimal point, you will multiply here 1325 by 51. What will you get? You will get 67,575, and after decimal, how many digits are there? 1 2 and here 3. So from your right you will leave 1, 2, 3 digit and place decimal. Okay, multiplication you should do it yourself also. Now in each, here question number 4, in each side of the regular polygon, regular polygon is a polygon. It is made up of line segment with equal sides. It is called regular polygon. And each side of the regular polygon, it is 2 centimeter in length. The perimeter of the polygon, it is given to you 2 centimeter. How many sides does the polygon have? What is the name of the polygon? So here each side of a regular polygon, it means a figure made up of line segment with equal sides. Okay, all the sides are of equal length. That's why it is called regular. So each side of the regular polygon, it is 3.2 centimeter. And you are given the perimeter of the polygon. It is given how much? 19.2 centimeter. So we don't know. You are asked to find how many sides does the polygon have. We don't know how many sides are there of that particular regular polygon. Let we imagine ki n. Those number of sides are n. Let n be number of sides of the regular polygon. As we know, the perimeter of the figure of regular figure, that is equal to length of one side multiplied by number of sides. So n we are calling here. We don't know ki how many sides are there of this regular polygon. So let it be n. Then perimeter of the regular polygon, it is equal to length of each side multiplied by number of sides. And number of sides we have taken n. हमने उनको कितना माना है? n. कितनी है वो? n. So perimeter of the regular polygon, in that place we have written perimeter 19.2, that is equal to length of each side. It is 3.2 centimeter written here into number of sides. We don't know how many number of sides are there of a regular polygon. Let it be n. Now when you will take 3.2 in that side, it will be divided. 19.2 will be divided by 3.2. That is equal to n number of sides of the regular polygon. If division is there, now this decimal number is converted into fraction. So 19.2 will be written as 192 upon 10. Then division sign, 3.2, it can be written as 32 upon 10. That is equal to n. If division sign is here, first of all you will write first fraction here as it is. N is equal to 192 divided by 10. And division sign is converted into multiplication. We have converted this division sign into multiplication, and we have taken reciprocal of this second fraction, that is 32 upon 10. The reciprocal of 32 upon 10 will be 10 upon 32. So you will simplify here. 10 1 ja 10, 10 1. In cross we cut. In cross and numerator with denominator we simplify. And then divide 192 by 32. You will get 6. So here we are getting number of sides of the regular polygon are 6. When there are 6 sides of a regular polygon, then it is called a hexagon. When there are 4 sides of a regular polygon here, then it is called square. If 5 sides are there, of a regular polygon, then it is called pentagon. If 6 sides are there of a regular polygon, it is called hexagon. If 7-sided regular polygon is there, that is called heptagon. 8-sided regular polygon is called octagon. 9-sided regular polygon, that is called nonagon. And a regular polygon with 10 sides, that is called decagon. So this is about the polygons, and now it is having 6 sides, so this polygon will be called what? Hexagon. We will call this polygon a hexagon. Whatever is taught today, you will complete in your workbook, and you will complete worksheet number 29 here, 21 of chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. Okay, you will complete this worksheet number 21. This is your homework. And if you have done this, you should do test number 2 at page number 29. Test number 2 also, you will try for that. And very soon there will be your pre-midterm test, and you are given syllabus for that. Chapter number 1 of both books, workbook and NCERT book, and you will learn all the definitions, fill in the blanks, objective type, and you can be asked questions when there will be oral. So stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care, obey your parents. God bless you. So this is the worksheet number 20 you have done today. So complete in your workbook. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, note down all these problems, word problems in your worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.